Welcome back. GVP Supremo and Nuvem MLA Mickky Pacheco has alleged that common people are not happy with the government led by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He also charged that ruling MLAs and ministers are also unhappy with the CM. Mickky said he wanted to give Parrikar another chance as he had toppled BJP-led government in 2002.
When Mr. Manohar Parrikar was in the ruling year 2002 and then in 2005, I am the one who toppled him. Thinking, okay, things not bright. The people, well-wishers from my party, they are not dissatisfied with this government. Okay? I feel I had given an opportunity to Manohar Parrikar. Okay? Now 1.5 years passed. I'm still watching how the state performing. But I don't find the people are happy. Okay? There are people within the ruling dispensation, they deep down their heart, they are not happy. But tip of their tongue, they come out and say, okay, government is fine, everything fine.
Reacting to Kaitu's statement against the GVP Supremo, Mickky said that Kaitu is elected on GVP seat. Mickky has also taken credit for Kaitu's victory in assembly election.
Media people been saying, I did not say it with my mouth that we are merging the party and merging to NCP, anything as such. But Kaitu's view probably based on the media's report. Okay? But Kaitu did not discuss with me any point of time. Or if he want to discuss, he would always come and discuss with me because I am the party, Supremo, and therefore he should discuss with me. And anything, if there is anything personal, she shouldn't go and talk to the media. He should ask me, or he should, when he doesn't know about it, he should have no comment. That's all about. But I can't blame him because he's new in politics. It is this party he got elected. I am the one who forced to Kaitu to contest in this. Kaitu never had dreamt even to contest election in Bainali constituency. I made a space.
Pratik Parab for Prudent.
The CCP has decided to revise rent of shops in Panji Municipal Market. The rates are revised from Rs 200 to 256 rupees per square meter. Mayor Surendra Furtado also informed that CCP is considering amendment to the recruitment rules. The meeting of CCP corporators was held on Monday.
Morning I get a letter from the PWD saying that the old rate of 200 rupees is no more. It is 256 revised rate because
per square meter it is, no?
Yeah, because this rate has increased from 200 to 256 because they have got a new not lease agreement, what do you call, sale deed at Pato at around 95,000 rupees per square meter. For last 10 years, the corporation city of Panjim has not been getting even 1 rupee in form of rent. Whereas the CCP has been spending crores of rupees in form of electricity, water, maintenance, cleaning, round the clock, having couple of trucks there, so many workers. Now we require 3 to 4 crores rupees only to repair the roof. It has been leaking. The new recruitment rules will specify for every job what is required, basic. But now since I could not circulate the copies to all my corporators, I will get it passed at the standing committee and I will get it approved at the next corporation meeting.
Forum for Senior Citizens of India are unhappy with the state government. They claim that they do not get enough encouragement from the government. Moreover, they have demanded that government should give 10% discount on electricity bills, water bill, BSNL services and house tax exclusively for senior citizens.
The newly elected committee under the presidentship of Diego da Costa addressed media on Monday. They reiterated their long-pending demand of 10% discount on essential government services.
There is not much encouragement from government. It's samke poorest among the poor. The senior citizen आसतलो, तेका आमी कितें तरी आर्थीक मदत दिवपाची एक स्कीम तयार करपाचें चिंतलेलें आसा. दुसरें म्हणजे आमची एक पेंडींग आहा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन, गव्हर्मेंट कशेंच ते आमकां दिवपाक पळयना, आनी तें म्हणजे आमी मागिल्लें की ज्या भशेन बसीक 50% गव्हर्मेंटान सूट दिल्ले आहा सिनियर सिटीजनाक, त्याच प्रमाणे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर बिलाचेर, त्याच प्रमाणे वॉटर बील आनीक हाऊस टॅक्स आनी BSNL हे 4 ज्यो सर्विसीस गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो आसा तातूंत आमकां एक 10% तरी आमकां ताजेर डिस्कावंट दिवचो, सवलत दिवची अशें आमी मागिल्लें आसा. तें आजून गव्हर्मेंटान आमगेलें मानून घेतलें ना. आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन एप्रोच जातले, चड करून आमी कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट जो आसा ताच्या मिनिस्टराक मेळटले. आमचे एज पर आवर रेजिस्टर ऑफ मेंबरशीप आमचे कडेन 16,500 अशे मेंबर आसात. पूण आमचें कितें जालां प्रॉब्लेम अशें की आमचे कडेन डेथ रेजिस्टर ना.
Bureau Report Prudent.
DGP has directed police officials to speed up the police verification process required for issuance of passport. He has directed them to visit the applicant and not to call the respective applicant to a police station. Goa police officials had a special meeting on Monday. This exercise has been started with immediate effect.
Officials of Goa Police on Monday held a meeting to discuss the way to ensure a speedy police verification procedure for issuance of passport. DGP Kishan Kumar has directed all the police stations and concerned departments to visit the applicants and not to call them for verification process.
It is the duty of the police to contact the applicant over telephone, seek an appointment with the applicant at the residence of the applicant, advise the applicant to keep at least 1 or 2 documents showing the address.
This decision has been taken in the wake of a report filed by Chief Passport Officer Muktesh Pardesi that only 50% police verification are being done within the time frame of 21 days. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.